Alright, so this is my test bench. This is the 3080 Ti that I hooked it up with my 1200 PSU power supply. So you have all the three VGA connectors connected directly to the power supply. So as it is, there's no issue with the PSU because I already checked with my other GPU that I have enough power to run this EVGA. So it's in working condition. There's no issue. It turns on just fine, perfectly fine, no issues there. That's your seal right here. I don't know if you can see it clearly. I think let me just, yep. So just want to let you know that this is working just fine, and so it powers on and everything. Okay, this is my screen. This is usually the best benchmarking Eugene Heaven benchmark that I'm gonna do right now. And one more thing is I added up the watt meter here, right? Just to let you know how much the wattage is, because once I start the benchmarking, the watt's going to go high because it's going to draw more power, because it's going to do the benchmarking. So you will see that the power is going to go up. So right now is at about 55, 56, 53 watts. So it's basically an idle. So once I do run the benchmark, the power is going to hit 400, maybe 500. And then you will see a black screen right away, and then the power will drop. So I just want to let you know before I start this benchmarking, this is how it's going to look like. So same, I'm going to run this, and you will see that it's going to run just fine for a very brief moment, maybe a few seconds, and then after that it's just not going to work at all. So it's loading up, right? So there you go, it starts to work. You see that's 3080 Ti framework. You see the wattage here. It's about 373, 379. So you see it's working fine, right? It's also working, everything looks fine. But then all of a sudden you see the black screen hits in, and it's gonna be continuously like this, not gonna move. And if you go back and see, the power went down to 52. So what it does now is probably gonna, I think it resets the GPU, and it's gonna continue the benchmarking again. So you will see a little spike in power again. You see this one, 175, 153. It'll go back up, 269, and then you see it starts to work back again, right? But then after some time, it's gonna do the same thing. You can have a black screen here, and it's gonna fail again. So again, 385, 375, 395 works just fine. But after some time, it's gonna have the similar issues. It's gonna fail. You're probably gonna have a black screen here. So right, and this is, again, I'm not doing anything with this. I'm not even touching anything, right? So I haven't even had to start the benchmarking. You see, turns black on. You go back to the power, 160, 104. So somehow this GPU basically has an issue with the display, or something's not right with this. It's just pretty much when it runs on some power and doing some stress test on benchmarking, it just fails. You see, again, it went back up 202, 301. The screen's back up again. So you know how intermittently it's going in and out. And this is not how GPU works. These benchmarks are there to actually bench these GPUs, and this is a brand new card out of the box. It's not even a used card. It's a brand new out of the box card, and this should not be doing this. Again, black screen. Black screen. Look at the power. 104, 98, 62. So see how it restarted. He just, a little black screen. It doesn't do anything with it. So that's what I was trying to tell you. I'm not making this up. This is what the problem is. It's not about the price and how much the money I paid. This graphics card just doesn't work. So it's doing this. It restarted the benchmarking again, and after some time the screen is going to turn black again. Watch this. There we go. See? There we go. And that's, again, the power went down. So yeah, this clearly has an issue. So Yep, that's about it. You wanted a video as a proof, and I'm posting this video as a proof for you. All right, thank you.